What would I be saying if I said something was lit?
It's probably like, like a part, like, it's like hyped up, if that means like, it's like pretty cool,
When people use like the word lit, it's like fun, exciting, like you have a good time if like something is lit.